Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. Guys, today is Friday, March 29th, and I am bringing you some new deals that just started today at Giant Food Stores. These deals that I'm going to show you can be done all the way through Thursday, April 4th. So they're quick and easy deals that you can do. You don't have to be an experienced couponer. And as a matter of fact, if you're new to couponing to Giant, this is a great way to get started. The only thing you need is your Giant app. And you just need to clip a couple of different coupons. Other than that, it just involves some instant savings. And you can do these deals either online or in the store. Totally up to you, whichever way is easiest for you. So before we get started, I'm going to need you to hit that subscription button and tap that bell right next to it if you are watching me on YouTube. That way you'll get notified every time I put up a new video. If you're watching me on Facebook, hit that follow button and you'll get notified when I put up a new video. That way you can follow along and do the same deals that I do, or you can learn how to coupon at the different stores. So guys, let's get started. Let's jump right into the deal. So the first deal that I did is going to be on the Aveeno lotion. Now with this deal, you don't need to clip any coupons. You don't need the Giant app. Only thing you need to do is grab the lotion, go to the register and save, because this deal involves instant savings. When you have instant savings at Giant, the only thing you need is your Giant savings card or loyalty card or club card, whatever you want to call it, okay? So these Aveeno lotions, you have to get specific ones, okay? They are actually the 2.5 ounce, and they are regularly $3.59. But this week, they are on sale for $2.09. And remember, these deals that I'm showing you are good through Thursday, April 4th. So you have plenty of time to do them. That's why I'm bringing them to you early. So I grabbed 6. Now, you don't have to get as many as I get. This is the original deal. So they are on sale for $2.09. So when you grab 2 of them, you're going to instantly save $3 just simply by putting your phone number in or to your loyalty card or scanning your loyalty card, whichever way you want to look at it. And when you buy 2, you're going to instantly save $3. So that means 2 of them is only going to cost you $1.18. Now, you can do the deal, I believe, 5 times in one transaction. Don't quote me on that, but I think that's what it is. But I did the deal 3 times. So I got 6 of them. I wanted to leave some for everyone else so that you guys can get them. Because this is a really good deal. And it's a popular deal that comes around quite often. But sometimes you have to buy 3. Sometimes you have to buy 2. Sometimes you save 4. Sometimes you save $3 instantly. They change it up. But I think this is the best deal when they bring it, where you only have to buy 2 and you save $3 instantly. So if you get 2, then you're only going to pay $1.18 at the register for 2 Aveenos. Guys, I say that's pretty good. It's either $1.18 for 2 or 59 cents each. You cannot beat that when they're regularly $3.59. That means you're saving $3 off of each one. Okay, but like I said, I got 6 of them. So my total was actually $3.54. Okay. The next deal that I did was on the Tide. Now, this deal is a little more complicated because you do have to clip some digital coupons, but it's not complicated in the sense that you can't do it. It is a beginning user friendly deal, or however you want to put it. So you want to make sure you have the Giant app, and you want to go on your app and you want to clip $3 coupons. There's a $3 coupon for the Tide Pods. There's a $3 coupon for the Tide Liquid, and then there's a $3 coupon for the Bounce dryer sheets. Make sure all 3 of those are clipped. So we're going to use those 3 digital coupons, but there's also an instant savings going on. And again, this instant savings is good through April 4th. So both of the deals are good through April 4th, okay? So the instant savings is when you buy certain P&G products. When you buy 3 of them, you're going to save $15 instantly. Now, the P&G products that are included are not just the Tide. I know Cascade is included, Bounty paper towels. There's a number of items that are included. I just chose to get the Tide because that was the best deal for me and the best way for me, especially because I had a customer who was requesting Tide. But Gain is also included in this deal, and it's the Gain fabric softener, the Gain scent beads, as well as the Gain detergent. So whatever P&G products you like, just either check on the app and see if they're included, or check the signs in the store. Not all stores are tagged, but you could check. And Downy is also included. So I just got all Tide products, okay? So let's start with the pricing on those. So the Bounce dryer sheets, it is 180 count box. There's actually 3 separate boxes in there with 60 dryer sheets in each box. Those are regularly $14.69. They're on sale for $12.99, but when you clip the $3 digital coupon, then they come down to $9.99. And don't forget, we're going to add in our instant savings to this, okay? So the Tide Pods that I got was the Tide Liquid that I got was the 84 fluid ounce. And that's regularly $14.99. It's on sale for $12.99. But remember, you're going to clip that $3 digital coupon. That's going to bring it down to $9.99. Then the Tide Pods that I got is the 3-in-1 Spring Meadow. There's a couple of different scents that are included for that $3 coupon, as well as for the liquid too. These are just the ones that I chose, but you don't have to get the ones that I chose. Okay, just make sure the coupon attaches. And that is the 42 count, and they are regularly $13.99, on sale for $12.99. But again, we're going to have that $3 digital coupon, and they're going to come down to $9.99. So we're going to pay $9.99 for each one of those. That's going to bring your total to $29.97. But at the register, when we scan our card or put our phone number in, we're going to instantly save $15 for buying 3 participating P&G products. So that's going to bring the total down to just $14.97. Guys, that is an unbelievable deal. That's like getting each one of those for $5. I mean, where can you get that? And I'm not going to discuss tax because everyone's tax is different in every city, state, and borough that you live in. But with my tax, it came to $16.77, but still, it's still an excellent deal, even with tax. Now, don't forget that you want to take your receipt if you are purchasing them in store. You can't do this if you're buying it online, but if you're purchasing it in store, you want to then upload your receipt to P&G Everyday Rewards, because they will give you 50 points for each P&G product that you purchase on one receipt, up to 5. So you can get up to 250 points on one receipt, and then you can turn around and use those points that you get to get gift cards at different stores. It's like 100 different stores you can choose from. I usually get gift cards to like Starbucks and Dunkin' Donuts. That way my P&G products and my couponing habit can actually pay for my my Dunkin' Donut coffee habit and my donuts. So, or you can save those gift cards, and you can, and it's only in increments of $5 that you can get them. But you can save those gift cards. You can give them as gifts to your employees, to your friends. You can use them as stocking stuffers for the kids. Totally up to you. But just another way to take advantage of spending money and getting something for free, because it's not like, you know, you're spending extra money to get those gift cards. So guys, this entire haul with the lotion, which I paid $3.54 for, plus the detergent that I paid $14.97. All of this came to $18.51, less than $20. I'd say this is an excellent deal. That's like paying for like one of the Tide products or one of the P&G products and getting everything else for free. So guys, go ahead, head out to Giant, get your deal, come back, let me know how you did the deal, what you end up getting. And also with the Aveeno, the buy two get $3 off. It's not just off of the lotions. I just went with the lotions because that's what I use. I usually buy the bigger bottles when I have like the coupons. So I did what was best for me, but you go through and you buy what's best for you and your family. So guys, come back, let me know what you end up getting, and until the next time, keep on saving.